Mi 14 Pro Film Replacement. Due to the congruent depth and slightly curved screen, you need to find the right hydrogel film, a little difficult. There are a series of films such as High Definition, Matte, Anti-Peep, Anti-Blue Light, UV, AR, Anti-Reflection, etc. Supports congruent depth micro-curved screen film. Select Xiaomi 14 Pro model drawings. Put in a piece of UV AR anti-reflection film. Wait for the machine to complete precise cutting. Clean phone screen. Start applying full screen UV anti-reflection coating. Be careful not to press down on the edge of the curved screen. Curved screen fitting work. Let the UV vacuum machine do the job. Turn on vacuum plus UV curing. Make the edges of the four-sided, slightly curved screen fit more closely. The fit effect is very nice. If you accidentally get a little dust, please ignore it. The full screen fits the edges without scratching your hands. The four corners are equally filled with film. Congruent depth, slightly curved screen. It's as easy as applying a film. UV anti-reflection coating not only has good bonding effect, more glare reduction in sunlight. Make your phone screen display clearer. Ask the mobile phone store near you, is there UV AR anti-reflection coating?